The Giggle Battle. Ant vs. Elephant 1. Sunny morning in the jungle. Tiny Tony the ant was marching along, carrying a crumb of cookie, 10 times his size, which for an ant is basically a grocery haul. Suddenly, thump! A giant grey foot blocked his path. Tony looked up, and up, and up, until he saw Ellie the elephant grinning down at him. Ellie, giggling. Oopsie, didn't see you there, little speck. Tony, hands on hips. Oh, no you didn't. You almost squished the mightiest ant in the jungle. Ellie snorted. Mighty? You're smaller than my toenail. Chapter 2. The challenged Tony climbed onto a leaf and yelled, I bet I can make you laugh first. Ellie blinked. Me? Laugh? At you? Snorts. Impossible. Round 1. Tony did a handstand, then sneezed mid-air and somersaulted into a flower. Ellie's ears wiggled, but she held her breath. Not funny. Round 2. Tony tied a berry to a vine and swung like Tarzan. Splat. Right into Ellie's trunk. She snorted. That was a very bad idea. Tony, covered in juice. Worth it. The Tickle trapped Tony whispered to his ant army. Minutes later, 1,000 ants marched up Ellie's legs and tickled her toes with feathers. Ellie, giggling. Hey, no fair at you. Her sneeze blew the ants into a pile of mud. They popped out, covered in gloop, wearing leaf hats. Tony, grinning. Gotcha. Ellie laughed so hard, her trunk wobbled like a hose. Okay, you win, Tiny Tony. Epilogue. Best friends. From then on, Ellie gave Tony rides on her trunk, and Tony told her terrible ant jokes. Tony, why don't ants get sick? Ellie, sighs. Why? Tony, because they have antibodies. Ellie, groans and giggles. That's the worst. Moral. Even the tiniest friend can bring the biggest laughs.